This building itself, the War Memorial, it is downtown Nashville. It is a 100-year-old building, 100,000 square foot. It is an exterior restoration and an interior renovation. It is a historical building for veterans of the World War I. It's overlooking the Capitol building, and eventually it will house the Attorney General. I think I take pride working on this project, knowing that it is honoring those who have served before me. I served in the United States Marine Corps from 2006 to 2010 as active duty. I did 2 tours to Afghanistan, and from 2010 to 2014, I was a reservist. I joined the Marine Corps because I could feel that one way or the other, somebody has to serve. And when I thought about it personally, I knew that it would be either myself or my brother. Freedom doesn't come free, somebody's got to serve. I think that it's really important just to give veterans a chance. When I first got out of the military, I went to school first, and the apartment complex that I was living at needed a landscaping, so I went and asked them if they just needed summertime help so that way I could pull in more money. And the truth is after the fact, the apartment maintenance said they were afraid to hire me because I was a veteran and because they thought that I would have PTSD. My transition into Skanska was pretty open because I've had a lot of personal friends and family that have worked for Skanska, and the transition was pretty easy because Skanska has a lot of programs that help with mental health, and there's the green sticker program that, you know, if you need to get help, if you need to call somebody, if you need to talk to somebody, a lot of people know how to get help. So it's easy to talk to people here at Skanska because it feels like they care about your well-being. Construction is really good for veterans because it has structure. There's a way you do things. It's problem solving. Military backgrounds do like to do a lot of problem solving. We all like to work together and try to figure out how we do things, why we do things, and construction does a lot of that as well. The War Memorial holds the auditorium, which eventually will be where the Performing Arts Center's auditorium will continue to be. So in the courtyard, there are a dozen plaques that have the 3,400 names of the Tennesseans who served and died in World War I. You know, feeling that feeling that I know that they did, it's relatable, so I feel pride knowing that building this and continuing on the restoration will keep this building going for 100 more years. Hoorah!